Rosemary oil, a natural extract from the aromatic herb Rosmarinus officinalis, has been revered for its multifaceted benefits for hair and skin health. Here are 10 remarkable benefits that rosemary oil offers. 1. Promotes hair growth. Rosemary oil is known to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth and prevent baldness. 2. Strengthens hair. The oil fortifies hair strands from the root to the tip, helping to prevent breakage and split ends. 3. Dandruff control. Its antifungal properties make it effective in controlling dandruff and soothing scalp irritation. 4. Skin antioxidant. As a rich source of antioxidants, rosemary oil helps to protect skin cells from damage caused by the sun and free radicals. 5. Anti-inflammatory. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and puffiness, making it beneficial for inflammatory skin conditions like eczema. 6. Improves skin elasticity. Regular use of rosemary oil can improve skin elasticity, thereby reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Acne treatment. The antimicrobial properties of rosemary oil make it an effective ingredient for treating acne and preventing future breakouts. 8. Skin hydration. It helps to balance the skin's natural oils, providing hydration without causing excess oiliness. 9. Enhances mental clarity. When used in aromatherapy, rosemary oil can help clear the mind and relieve stress, which is often reflected in the health of the skin. 10. Natural astringent. Rosemary oil acts as a natural astringent, helping to tighten skin and reduce the size of pores. These benefits of rosemary oil are supported by various studies and research, highlighting its surprising potential. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new regimen, especially if you have sensitive skin. Rosemary oil should be used in moderation and always diluted with a carrier oil to prevent adverse reactions. Enjoy the natural benefits of rosemary oil for a healthier you.